Are you looking for the best drones for real estate photography? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for real estate photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. Camera resolution, 48MP video resolution, 4K/60fps weight, 570G flight time, 34 minutes flight range, 18 km price, $2,999 About the product. This drone is considered to be DJI's most innovative product. Mavic Air 2 is packed with advanced features and is a great drone for beginners. It is sold with a user-friendly kit that is very useful for individuals with an introduction to drone photography. The camera on this drone has a 0.5-inch sensor that features a powerful 48 megapixels lens. This drone has an impressive focus tracking feature so the videographer can lock on a subject and keep the focus on it while the drone moves. This drone has sensors on 3 sides to prevent collisions. The kit with drone box includes the drone, propellers, remote control, batteries, a charger, gimbal protector, a bag, and all the necessary cables. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Camera resolution, 20MP with 12MP zoom. Video resolution, 1K/50fps and 4K/120fps. Weight, 249G flight time, 46 minutes flight range, 5 km price, $2,049 About the product. This powerful drone is a combination of portability and quality. This drone features 2 cameras on the same gimbal. The most prominent features of this drone are the support of RAW image formats and image bracketing. The bracketing feature will allow the still shots of the property to match closely with the interior shots. The main camera is a micro four 4/3 from Hasselblad with a focal equivalent of 24 mm. Whereas, the second telephoto camera has a focal length of 162 mm. Number 3. PARROT ANAFI Ai. Camera resolution, 48MP. Video resolution, 4K at 48/50/60fps. Weight, 898G flight time, 32 minutes flight range, 22 km price, $4,000 About the product. This drone is probably the most expensive drone on the list. This product fits the professional level criteria that you are searching for in real estate photography. If you are looking for 3D telemetry mapping of your landscape, then this is the right drone for you. The prominent feature of this drone is the quad bias sensor that provides 14 EV of dynamic range within HDR10 mode. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. Camera resolution, 48MP video resolution, 4K at 24/25/30/40/50/60fps. Weight, 249G flight time, 35 minutes flight range, 18 km price, $759 About the product. DJI Mini 3 is a perfect beginner-friendly drone. This feature-packed drone carries 48 megapixels camera that is capable of producing RAW images. The adjustments and user-friendly controls of the remote give the pilot control over the ISO. This drone also supports pre-programmed flight modes. The camera can rotate to 90 degrees, providing uncropped vertical videos to the users. It has an intelligent return-to-home feature so you would not have to worry about losing control of the device. Number 5. AUTEL Robotics Evo 2 Pro. Camera resolution, 48MP video resolution, 6K/30fps. Weight, 1,133G flight time, 40 minutes flight range, 9 km price, $1,795 About the product. AUTEL Evo 2 is an excellent pick for real estate photography with its 48 megapixel camera and 6K video quality. This drone can produce some professional quality shots of your property. You can adjust the aperture of the camera from f/2.8 to f/11 and focus on one object, blurring the background to give professional look to your photography and videography. The amazing feature about the drone is that when it loses communication with the controller or the battery runs low, it automatically returns back to the hub. Number 6. RUKO F11 Pro. Camera resolution, video resolution, 9K/25 FPS. Weight, 520g. Flight time, 30 minutes. Flight range, 1,200 m. Price, $309. About the product. Individuals who want to test out real estate photography can start with this drone before jumping to some professional level options. The smooth operation and ease of use of this drone make it user-friendly. Although the video quality of this drone camera is on the lower side, the still shots are sufficient for a web page listing of your property. The model is not suited for extensive property sites as the flight range for the drone is on the relatively lower side.